hints we've thrown out. Usually younger women, like young teen girls, would do this.
A little older would be weird.
The two...
Just saying.
Okay, that's fine. Whatever. The two-word timely hint is Justin Bieber.
Yeah.
And if you still don't have a clue, walk into your teenage daughter's room, and look around.
Yeah, that should help you.
4570111. Hi, Kayla.
Walking into a men's restroom.
Walking into a men's restroom. No.
On accident. Sometimes they get cutesy with their little symbols, and you can't figure out what's what.
Boy, isn't that the truth?
Oh, yeah.
I know it. Thank you. Hi, Kayla. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. What's happening here?
How about having posters on their walls?
Okay.
Okay.
Posters on their walls. Let's say Justin Bieber.
Yeah.
Great.
All right.
You're very close.
You're not there yet, but you are so close. You can see the answer from here.
Can my husband guess?
Yeah. Put him on. Okay.
My guess was going to be that they, kiss a poster of a boy.
They kiss a poster of a boy.
See? Get that lipstick stain on the little poster.
Oh,
Ooh.
You mean they're wearing lipstick, too?
Ooh la la.
Holy cow. Yeah!
Yeah.
Kiss the poster.
Wow.
My wife didn't want to say that. So.
Why is that?
She embarrassed?
She didn't want to have to admit that she might have done that.
See, that's a big
Wait,
thing.
put her on the phone.
Yeah.
Put her on the phone. We want to talk to her. Okay, all right.
Hello.
All right, now
Hi.
we need to know. I mean, you're among friends here.
Exactly.
Have you kissed a poster in your life?
Maybe possibly.
See, that's why I think this percentage is so low, because it's admit to, and you're
right.
a little shy to admit it.
Maybe,
That's right.
maybe, possibly, if you kissed a poster, whose poster would it have been?
It was the late 80s, early 90s.
Yeah?
It was probably New Kids on the Block.
Oh,
New Kids
they
on
were
the
big
Block.
ones, yeah.
Wow.
See, for me, I was in that same time frame. For me, it was John Bon Jovi,
Yeah.
and I'll admit this too, Andre Agassi, when he had the long hair.
Oh yeah, well, he was hot. Sure.
Yeah.
She has a collection of his camera ads
I
from all
had
the
the
sports.
cardboard cutout.
No, you did?
I did. I worked for a picture store at the time, and we got a cardboard cutout. They're going to throw it away, and I'm like, no, you're not.
Well, great
Got
job.
home.
Here's what you guys win this morning.
You got yourself a 4-pack of tickets to go to the Parade of Homes, which starts tomorrow, and then we're also going to toss in the Colorado State Fair gate admission tickets as well.
Oh, wow, that's awesome.
Yeah. So
Whether you're going to work,
at work,
or